So this whiteboard name is whiteboard.fi. So if you'll go to the browser, you have to search with the name whiteboard.fi. To start the board, you have to go to new class option. And similarly, to access the board, your students will go to join class option. So let's see how it works. Click on new class, and here you have to type in your name. This name will be visible to your students on their board. So after typing in your name, just scroll down and click on this option. You will see that it's creating your board, and after that you will see this code. Now this is whiteboard code. So when your student join with join class link, they will type this code over here, and after typing this code they have to click on join class. So this is the dashboard of your whiteboard. So you have to click on the option toggle whiteboard, and you will see this kind of a screen. So this is the student whiteboard. So the best part with this portal is that all the students will get their separate whiteboard, and they can share their whiteboard with you. They don't even need to share. Their whiteboards will be automatically visible to you. Like the way you can see for these children, these are different boards of the students. So these are the various tools that you can use, and you can use freehand drawing or typing. Everything you can use here. So for example, I'm typing this hello, and once you type something on your board, you have to share it with your children so that they can also see on their screen in the same time, real time. So this is the student view, which you can see, and this is one of the students screen. And similarly, when your other children will join, you will be able to see several screens over here. Those screens are their whiteboards. So you have to click on push option to share your whiteboard with the children. So there are three options: push this page, push all the pages, and make it as background. So I am selecting push this page, and as you will see, the whiteboard has been successfully push. Means that your whiteboard will now be visible on the children's screen.